A point 3 and 4. Okay. What about B? 6 and 7. Okay. C? 9, 4. What about D? 6, 1. They're given points like this. A, B, C, and D. So AB, if I know AB, BC, CD, and AD all are equal, then find the diagonals also BD and AC. If diagonals are also equal, but they will be not equal to sides. BD is equal to AC if you are getting, then it is a square. Otherwise, it is a rhombus. Calculate now. What is AB equal to? AB is equal to root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4. AB is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square plus 3 square. So AB is equal to root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, 18. You will get 3 root 2, no? Correct. Then BC. So what is BC equal to? Root of 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. What you will get? 3 square plus minus 3 square. Here also we get the same thing, 3 root 2. Next. BC is done, CD. What you will get? Calculate and tell me. CD and AD. What you will get? 3 root 2 you will get? Okay. What about DA? That also or AD, whatever it is. 6 minus 3, that is 3 square. 1 minus 4 is also minus 3 square. So here also you will get 3 root 2 you will get. Now calculate AC and BD. Keisha, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, AC will be what? 9 minus 3 whole square. So that is 6 square plus 4 minus 4, 0. What you will get? 6. What about this? 6 minus 3 is 3 square, 1 minus 4. That is also 6 you will get. BD you should calculate. Yeah, 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 7 minus 6 whole square, that is also 6 you will get. So, we will get BD also 6 units. So, that means what? Diagonals are equal and all the sides are equal. Therefore, it is a square. Okay. So, always remember, if all sides are equal, okay, and diagonals are equal, then we can write it as square. Here we are trying to use the properties and also the distance formula to find that. Okay. First question, minus 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 2, and minus 3 comma 0. So there are 4 points given. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. So I can call this as A, B, C, D. Okay, there are 4 points. Now check with the distance formula. What and all you can get. Then which formula we are using now? What we have, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula, that is distance between the 2 points or the length of the side also we will know from that. So we have to calculate. So what AB you will get here, root of 1, listen this, 1 minus of minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. Okay, so what you will get, minus into minus plus 1 plus 1, 2 square plus here also 2 square. So AB is equal to root of 4 plus 4, 8, or AB is equal to 2 root 2. You will get. Then find BC. Root of, this is minus 1, right? Minus 1 minus 1 minus of 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So what you will get BC here? Same thing I think. Minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. That is BC also 2 root 2 you will get. What about CD? Minus 3 minus of minus 1. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Minus into minus 3 minus plus 1 here. That means minus 2 will get. See, minus 3 plus 1 here. That means minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So CD also will get 2 root 2. DA? 2 root 2. Okay. What about now all the diagonals? A, B, C, D I got equal. A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D we have done. So we have to calculate B, D and AC. AC, how much you will get? Gavin? Calculate and tell me AC. And Pavan, calculate BD. I don't know what you will do. You calculate and tell me. Calculate. If you have finished the first one, do the second one. Others. Minus 3 comma 5, 3 comma 1, 0 comma 3, and minus 1 comma minus 4. If I call this as A, B, C, D. What about the second one? Root of 3 minus of minus 3. Don't write 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus of minus 3 there. Correct? No, because x2 minus x1. That mistake you should not have. Plus y2, 1 minus 5 whole square. So AB is equal to root of minus into minus plus 3 plus 3, 6. 6 square plus minus 4 whole square. So AB is equal to root of 6 square is 36 plus 16. 2 root 30. Okay. Now BC 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1. 0 minus 3 minus 3 whole square, 3 minus 1, 2 square. So BC you will get it as root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4, 13. What about CD? Root CD minus 1 minus 0 whole square, then minus 1 minus 0 whole square minus 4 minus 3. CD you will get it as root of minus 1 whole square is 1 plus minus 7 whole square, 7 square is 49. At this, you can write since all sides are equal, since all sides
Not equal.
not equal, since all sides are not equal, it is not a specific quadrilateral. That is, it is not a rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram. Next, third one. I think, but until now you people understood, right? This coordinate geometry, how to do. So we are basically, there are only two formulas what we are using. One is the distance formula, another one is the section formula. In the distance formula, we will be able to find the distance between the any two points. So distance between the 2 points, it will also give you the length of that side. By knowing the length of the sides and by trying to match it with the properties of the quadrilateral triangle or something like that, we will try to correlate and find whether it's any specific type of quadrilateral triangle or like that. You can see 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, and 1, 2. I can call this as A, B, C, and D. AB is equal to what here? Root of 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1. So root 10 you will get. Next, BC. It is equal to 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. So this is equal to root of 4 minus 7 is 3. 3 square is 9 plus. Again you will get 9. So that is root 18. 3 root 2 will get. Then CD. AB, BC is done. Now CD 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. So CD is equal to 3 square is 9. 1 square is 1. So CD is equal to root 10. So AB is equal to CD you are getting. Then try with AD. AD what you will get? 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. 3 square plus 3 square root 18 you will get. Now, whether what type of this is a quadrilateral? What type of quadrilateral? Parallelogram. Yeah, whenever opposite sides are equal, there are two cases. One is rectangle, other is parallelogram. In rectangle, opposite sides are, diagonals are equal. Whereas in a parallelogram, it need not be equal. Okay. Fine, now AB, BC, CD, AD you have calculated. We got opposite sides are equal. Now find the diagonals. AC and BD. Calculate AC and BD. How much you will get? 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 5. 2 square, that is 2 you will get. What about the BD? 6 square plus 4 square. What is AD equal to? 2. What about BC? root 52, I think. No? Okay, BD is
2 by root 4 root 30.
this only. No? So AD is not equal to BD. AD is not equal to AD or ACB. No, that only. AC is equal to 2. BD is equal to root 50. So AC is not equal to BD here. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Okay. Do the seventh one now. Find the point on the x-axis. Try the seventh one. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Do that. Don't tell the answer. I'll come and check. How to do that? Sana, do. Try. Next, seventh question. Don't tell the answer. I'll come and check. Don't ask him. You try. It's fine. Wrong or right, fine. You people do. No comments. You do your. Don't teach her. I will teach her. After the class, whatever you get, you know. Huh? What is the question? Okay, listen here. Listen. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. This is a given question. Okay. 2 comma minus 5. So 2, if I take this here, somewhere this point is here. One point, it is 2 comma minus 5. Okay, another point minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 9 here comes. Okay. Another point is minus 2 comma 9. Okay. No. That's something like this, they will join. So there is a point on the x-axis. There is a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Listen here. What he has given is there are 2 points, 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Okay. So there is a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. If I call this as A, B point, and this is C. Okay, so this point is equidistant from that. What do you mean by that? AC is equal to BC. Okay, so the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9, that is AC is equal to BC. If that point is on the x-axis, so what is the x value? We don't know. But what is the y value? If a point is on x-axis, what is the y value, Aditya? Y. Y is 0. X comma 0. I can write the point as x comma 0. Because if is a point on the x-axis, y will be 0. Correct? So x comma 0. Now try to calculate. This first find AC. AC is equal to what? Listen, these questions they will ask in the exam. Important. AC is equal to x minus of minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Okay. So x minus of minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So AC is equal to root of x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Okay, this is AC. What about BC? BC is what? X minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus of minus, it is 0 plus 5 whole square. So BC is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. So AC is equal to BC, right? So I can write this as AC is equal to BC. That is root of x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square is equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Okay. Now squaring on the both sides, I can remove the root. Squaring on the both sides, square I can remove it. So what I will get? X plus 2 whole square plus 9 square is what? 81. That is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 25. Okay. And now we expand this. X plus 2 whole square is what? X square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2ab. 2 into x plus 81 is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. Okay. You can shift everything to the one side or cancel x square and x square. If you take it to the other side, x square minus x square is 0. So I can cancel. Yeah, you can cancel 4 also. So this is 4x plus 81 is equal to minus 4x plus 25. Minus 4x you will shift to this side, 81 to the other side. 4x plus 4x, 8x is equal to 25 minus 81. Simplify and tell me that.
So I guess.
No. Okay, 8th one lesson. Listen here, everyone. PQ. Okay. PQ distance, they have given 10 units. Okay. PQ distance, they have given 10 units. So what is PQ equal to? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. P value they have given as 2 comma minus 3. Q value they have given as 10 comma y. Okay. So PQ value distance between them is 10. That means PQ is 10. That is equal to root of 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now, see, root is there, simplification is difficult. So, squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. And whenever you are doing some mathematical thing, whenever you are trying to do some mathematical simplification, you have to do on both the sides. Then only it is correct. So, squaring on both sides, 10 square will become 100. Listen, no, how much you are talking? Square and root will cancel. So what I will get? 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay. So 100 is equal to 8 square is 64 plus y square. 3 square is 9 plus 2ab. 2 into 3 into y. 6. If I shift this to here, 100 minus 64. Squaring on both sides, you will get 100. 10 square is equal to square and root I can cancel. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 square is 8 square plus y minus into minus plus y plus 3 whole square. So now 100 is equal to 64. A plus b whole square formula. A plus b homework. Oh, that you should use here. So y square plus 9 plus 2ab. So 100 minus 64 is equal to y square plus 6y plus 9. How much you will get? 100 minus 64. It is 36 you will get. So 36 is equal to y square plus 6y plus 9. If I shift 36 to the other side, y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 36 is equal to c. Now find y, which plus 20 y. 27 minus 27 y square is there. Middle term splitting you have to do. 20 minus 27 y square. 27 is what? 9 into 3. Minus here means 1 plus other minus 9. Minus 9. So 9y minus 3y you have to do. Because you want plus 6y now. So y square plus 9y. Pavan, what is that? So much you are discussing. You want to do solve the problem? How much? Why you are talking? Y, if you take common, y plus 9 minus 3 into y plus 9. So y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3.
Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.